Hey YouTube friends, today we're going to start working on my garden. Going to plant potatoes here, tomatoes there, squash there, cucumbers there, and then I will have pumpkins over there, but I got to work on that. So I composted this, put leaves, mulch stuff, so I'm going to break this all up and I'll start planting. All right, got my potatoes all planted. Got some over here. Now what I'll do is I'll cover them up. I'll put some little fertilizer, then I'll cover them up, and then I'll work on the rest of the garden. So the package, this was a 5-pound package. They said you can yield up to 50 to 75 pounds of potatoes. These are the Yukon Golds, by the way. So, you know, I like the growing season, but then I also like the harvest. But then after the harvest, you know what comes next. Fall and winter. The cycles of the season. So, all right, let me get this taken care of. All right, the garden is all planted for the season of 2025. Cucumbers, straight eights in these 2 rows. I got 2 rows of squash. And what I ended up doing was when I went to a farmer's market last year, I bought the squash that I like, and it was really tasty. So what I ended up doing was harvesting the seeds, rinsing them out, drying them out, and then I put them in just a regular standard mailing envelope, kept them downstairs in a dry place. So I got that. Then I got my potatoes, my Yukon Golds here and there where the grass is, just mulching them up. Then I got a green pepper there, a red pepper there. I'm the only one that likes peppers. My wife doesn't, and that's fine. And then I got a Sweet 100 tomato plant there, a Big Boy tomato there, and then what other kind of Better Boy, and then an Early Girl. So the Early Girl will produce tomatoes pretty soon, so once they get up around here. So you know, I'm expecting in 2 months to get some tomatoes. I can't wait. And then over here I got big pumpkins over here, and then little Jack Be Littles over here. Hopefully they turn out. My grandkids will just go crazy. So the pumpkins, last year we had gotten some pumpkins, some really big ones. They had to be at least 10 pounds or more. So what I ended up doing there is, again, harvesting the seeds, rinsing them out, drying them off, same process, and I put them in there. So well, the Jack Be Littles I had to buy. I didn't have any, so, but yeah. And then last year in this particular garden, I had corn, sweet corn, and something just ravaged it. I was so mad. So I'm not planting sweet corn. I'd love to, but you know, we got too many animals living in this area that would take advantage of it. So yeah, so that's that for the garden. I used to plant bigger ones, but this is enough for me and my wife. And then if I have extra, I like to share with family, you know, or maybe can some or whatever. But yeah, so I had to get this garden done before my cancer treatment, because the doctor said I can't like work in the ground, because I'd said to her I want to work in my garden. Said no, you can't really do that because they're just trying to avoid any infection. But I mean, that's why I would wear gloves. And they even told me too, because I got a chicken coop, that I shouldn't go back there either, because even though I wear gloves to pick up the eggs, any dust that chickens would kick up, I could inhale that and cause. But I'm gonna wear a mask. You know, I mean, I gotta live. You know, I get it. I really do get it. You know, they want me to be protective and all that, but I gotta live. You know, I just can't sit on my chair all day long and rot the hell, you know. So I'll see how it goes. So in 3 days I get my treatment, and we'll go from there. But they said I could come out and water and stuff, but I couldn't like dig into the dirt. But whatever, we'll see how that goes. All right, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate everybody watching. I really do. And I'll have some more videos coming up pretty quick. All right, today's a nice day. Enjoy the day, and count your blessings. All right, thank you. Goodbye.